Nestled within the beautiful and peaceful setting of Dayananda Sagar University's Harohaldi campus is the prestigious College of Nursing, where you embark on a transformative journey as we flawlessly fuse academic expertise with practical skills through our advanced curriculum. Renowned for our focus on innovation and advancement, our experienced faculty members are at the forefront of the nursing field, constantly incorporating the latest advancements in technology and research into the curriculum. Our pioneering facilities, including simulation labs and clinical training rooms, provide an immersive, real-world healthcare environment. The Harohaldi campus is a modern and supportive community, complete with all necessary amenities, and provides the perfect, serene environment for students to focus on their studies and achieve their goals. Join our vibrant community and prepare for a successful career in nursing.